Alright, and here we have Mark 1 outside of packaging. And let's take a look at all the accessories that it comes with. Not a whole lot. First we have the Iron Man Mark 1 nameplate, Iron Man 2008. Accessories box, 2 hands, flame, and a weird looking base. And here's the figure itself. I do like this a lot. And here's a side view of Iron Man Mark 1. And here's the back side. A lot of intricate detailing going on over here. See all that? Stark Industry. Then here, and then even the calf muscle here. You see a lot of stuff going on. They did a really impressive job with the Iron Man Mark 1 here. Out of all the armors, I do like Mark 1 the most. It's because of how crude it is, and yeah, I just like it. It's very different than all the rest of them. There's the arc reactor. Even though it doesn't light up, still nice. Here's that chest plate. And over here, there's the missile, which I'll show right now. Here, section opens up to review the missile. And underneath the flamethrower section here, this could slide forward. Here you can see that panel slide up to cover his hand. And there's a non-working button for the missile. And same thing for the other side. The panel slides up like so to cover his hand. Nice touch. Too bad the helmet doesn't open up and you don't get to see Tony Stark's face underneath. And the flame basically slides on here onto his hand right there, like so. There's the flame coming out of his hand. Cool. I think they should have given us 2 of these flames, so you could have both of them together, one for each arm. And let's take a detailed look at the armor itself. Alright, and with this Iron Man, there are a combination of both hard and soft plastic that are being used here. I do like this armor a lot, and the paint job they gave him, it's pretty nice actually. Does have that metallic look to it, that metal sheen to it. It's kind of nice. In here you could even give him a flying pose. It's kind of neat, because his neck has double ratcheting joints. So yeah, let's go over articulation real quick. Alright, as far as articulation, there you see the ratcheting ball hinge joint, and then underneath that little skirt there around his neck, there's another one there. So it's a double ratcheting joint, and then there's another ball hinge over the shoulder, one elbows, and then one wrist, and chest. There's one ratcheting ball hinge, and there's a hinge joint as well. And here you can see the joint. I've taken the figure apart. There's the top half and there's the bottom half. Here's that ratcheting ball hinge, and then here there's a hinge joint so he could bend forward. And then the hips are ball hinge, and then the knees are hinge, and then ratcheting ball hinge ankles. they're nicely hidden. All the joints are very well hidden, so you don't really see them at all. Even the arms, you can barely see them. Here you can see this one, but on this side you can barely see it. And there's one problem I have with this figure is the belt section here. This piece, which I'm pointing at right now, this piece, it actually has a joint where it could swing up and down depending on how you move the legs and stuff. But on this other side, you can see this piece is down here. Basically it's the exact same piece on the other side, but they just installed this backwards, well, upside down. So you can see the little arch area right here on this side. You can see that arch area is on the bottom. It's supposed to line up with the treads right here, but on this side you can definitely see it's upside down. So they basically took two of the same piece and install one upside down. So I'm gonna contact Ami and see if I could get a replacement piece for this figure. Just a bit disappointing given the fact that this thing costs what, 40 to 50 bucks, somewhere around there. And yeah. Alright, and as far as this height, this thing stands about 6 inches in height. And let's do a comparison with other Iron Man figures. And here you can clearly see the Mark 1 from Revoltech does not stand well next to the Marvel Legends, because you can see how much shorter he is compared to Iron Patriot and Ultron. But Iron Monger, that's another beast. So, and then there's a Predator from NECA, but you can clearly see the height difference between the two. So yeah. So overall, I still recommend this figure. I do like this armor the most, so that's why. And the paint job is nice. A little lacking in the accessories department. It would have been nice if they gave us another piece of the flame. But yeah, still a very, very nice figure. Definitely worth picking up if you're an Iron Man fan, or just a Revoltech fan in general. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. And even Mark 1 could play pool.